Welcome to harmonysmoothie.com, your ultimate recipe and information guide for creating healthy and tasty smoothies using the freshest ingredients from around the world. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible tasting smoothie recipes. Craving a guilt-free keto-friendly treat? Look no further than the Keto Orange Creamsicle Smoothie. With a refreshing citrus zing and a creamy vanilla twist, it's a low-carb delight that will have you questioning how it can possibly be keto-friendly. Head over to harmonysmoothie.com for the full recipe. This delightful treat requires only 4 ingredients and takes just 5 minutes to prepare. Begin by gathering 2 cups of sparkling ice mandarin flavor, 12 ounces of plain Greek yogurt with the lowest carb count, 2 tablespoons of sugar-free honey, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's take a closer look at what you'll need to make this delicious keto-friendly smoothie. Start with 2 cups of sparkling ice mandarin flavor. This will give our smoothie that refreshing citrus kick. Next, you'll need 12 ounces of plain Greek yogurt. Make sure to choose the one with the lowest carb count. For sweetness, we're adding 2 tablespoons of sugar-free honey, a healthier alternative to regular honey. And finally, to add that classic creamsicle twist, include a teaspoon of vanilla extract. These ingredients not only make this smoothie taste amazing, but also keep it low-carb and keto-friendly. Your support is what keeps us going and helps us bring more delicious and healthy recipes to you. Because it's not only about creating tasty smoothies, but also about building a community of health-conscious foodies, just like you. Now let's get blending. Once you've collected all the ingredients, it's time to blend them together. Combine the sparkling ice mandarin flavor, plain Greek yogurt, sugar-free honey, and vanilla extract in a blender. Blend until the mixture reaches a smooth, creamy consistency, ensuring all the components are well incorporated. Now that we've blended our delicious Keto Orange Creamsicle Smoothie, let's take a moment to understand the nutrition breakdown. This smoothie is not just tasty, but also incredibly healthy. Say goodbye to unhealthy milk-based shakes with additives and fillers. Remember, not all calories are the same, and the goal is to maintain a balance of nutrients while enjoying your food. Now let's move on to the final touches of our smoothie. Stay tuned. Before pouring your smoothie into a glass, take a moment to taste and adjust. Depending on your preference, you might want to add a touch more sugar-free honey for extra sweetness. Once satisfied with the taste, pour your smoothie into glasses and serve chilled. For an extra touch of elegance, garnish with a slice of orange or a sprig of mint. Sip and savor the creamy, citrusy delight of your Keto Orange Creamsicle Smoothie. It's the perfect keto-friendly treat for any special occasion, or simply a refreshing treat anytime. For extra creaminess, consider using full-fat Greek yogurt. Adjust the sweetness with more or less sugar-free honey according to your taste. If you prefer a colder smoothie, add a handful of ice. And for a vibrant presentation, garnish with a twist of orange peel. This classic creamsicle flavor comes without the guilt, boasting only 120 calories, 10 grams of carbohydrates, 10 grams of protein, 1 gram of fat, and 0 grams of fiber per serving. Thank you, and remember to go to harmonysmoothie.com and check out our blog for more amazing recipes and to get great information on the best blenders and helpful smoothie tips. Enjoy your Keto Orange Creamsicle Smoothie and stay healthy.